Boom, boom, boom. This one is vegan.
Look at these cherries and blueberries. Fabulous. Let's make 4 of them. Smash your bananas in a bowl. Go ahead and add your nut butter. From there, I'm going to add this new product I'm trying called Just Egg. This was fabulous. Have you tried it? Then from there, baking powder, vanilla and butter extract, Ceylon cinnamon, and your dry oats. Get it all mixed up together. Prepare your silicone pans, add your fruit, stir it in, refrigerate it for 30 minutes, bake it for 45 minutes at 375. The silicone pans are linked in my bio, and all of this information is also in the caption below. Check out my reaction.